I am at the beautiful Crystal Springs Rhododendron Garden with Red Cavender. And Red, we come out every year for this weekend because it's such a big weekend, but we need to talk a little bit about the history of this garden because it really goes back a long time.
Well, it does. It was first started in about 1954, and at the time, the whole area was nothing but a briar patch.
Okay.
And everything you see here, all the plants were donated by people from the Rhododendron Society and others. All the improvements, the walls, the bridges, everything you see here over the years has been done financed by the Rhododendron Society. And it's an ongoing project, and it's always changing.
Oh, sure, for sure. And really, it's a partnership between the city, too.
Correct.
And so, but really, the driving force is the Rhododendron Garden.
Right. The city owns the property, and we provide improvements and maintenance. Master gardeners, other volunteers help maintain the garden. Every Wednesday, we're always looking for new help.
So you can go to the website, and if you wanted to sign up to help out, you really get to enjoy the garden, too, while you're working.
Oh, certainly.
And so to talk to about when you can visit on Mondays is free, but if you wanted to come another time, there is a small fee.
There is a $5 fee, and that's only 10 to 4. Before 10 and after 4, it's free.
Well, really. But it's so nice to help support it in that small way through the fee.
Right. You know, you look at these walls and various things, they cost a lot of money.
Sure. Oh, I'm sure it does.
And so that's every dime that we take in from the sales and the gate goes right back into this garden.
And really, there's so many birds here too, so if you're a birder, you have to come out because we're surrounded by all kinds of waterfowl today.
Oh yes, Audubon loves this place.
It's great. Red, really, this is a great weekend to come. It's Mother's Day weekend, there's lots of things going on, but really the blooms do last a little bit longer than just one weekend.
Oh yes, this garden will be in bloom for probably a month or month and a half. Really, it starts in late March and runs through early June. So every week when you come, it'll be different.
Yeah, and there's rhodies here that you won't see many places.
Oh, certainly. There's lots of and some of those big plants down there simply don't fit in the normal garden anymore.
Oh, they're massive. They are massive. So if we want to come this weekend, it's today Saturday and tomorrow Sunday, and you can bring your family to really stroll the gardens. But there's a sale going on. There's an exhibition going on.
Right. There's a cut flower show in the exhibit hall, and the parking lot will be full of rhododendrons plus 4 companion plant vendors.
That is nice because we get some ideas for our own gardens.
Correct. And there's no fee for the plant sale. There is for the garden itself.
Well, I think just a wonderful time to come with your family. You can walk around, enjoy the weekend, enjoy this lovely garden, all the blooms. Thanks so much, Red.
Well, thank you. Glad to see you again.